Hey guys, how's it going today? This is a review for the Alpha Bidet UX Pearl Bidet toilet seat. I hadn't seen too many reviews on this, so I thought I'd just kind of give you guys my 2 cents based on my experience and let you know what I thought about it. This is my first bidet seat. I did my research and determined that the UX was the one to try. I've been using it for a solid 6 months now, and I've gotten quite used to it. I'm disappointed if I have to use the other bathroom now. The UX was part of a comprehensive bathroom renovation. Glad I chose an elongated commode bowl instead of a round instead. There are a few reasons for this, but suffice it to say, I definitely recommend the elongated over the round if you have the choice. The beeping. Yes, there is a faint beep when I sit down, and I think also when I stand up. This can be turned off by plugging in the UX while depressing a button on the seat. I found that the house power invariably gets interrupted within days of me doing this though, and when it comes back on, the seat defaults to beeping again. So, I've just gotten used to the beeping. This one's not that loud, but it's still dumb that it beeps. Who needs a toilet seat that beeps? Everything beeps these days. It's maddening. The bideting itself is pleasant and effective overall. Sometimes I run concurrent cycles, just to be sure. I recommend pressing the bidet button twice, which gets the wand to do a slight back and forth scrubbing motion. It was interesting to me to experience changing the water temperature on the fly. You push the temp button and that water temperature instantly changes. Speaking of, Alpha should be able to figure out a way to have the initial blast of water be as warm as the rest of it, because it ain't. It is always frigid cold, just for a second, long enough to make me make a face, and then it's pleasant. One thing I have noticed recently, temperature-wise, is that the water isn't always as warm as it was. Maybe my wife is fidgeting with the temp control, which I doubt because she likes everything hotter than I like it. Or maybe it's because the incoming water is much colder than it was in the summer and fall. Regardless, I've had some cooler than expected bidets this winter. I recommend getting an elongated bowl. A friend of mine who has a round toilet complained that although the wand's position can be adjusted, she still can't get it to move far enough forward to be useful in the female application. You'll have the same problem on the other side. When you're ready to spray, even if you've pulled the bidet back as far as it will go, you still have to scoot forward a bit on the seat to feel comfortable. This is where an elongated toilet and seat can solve a lot of problems. The drying feature could get warmer faster, which I think would help it not to take so long. I don't feel the warmth until it's at least a third of the way into its cycle, maybe halfway. Before that, it's just like a cool breeze. It gets high marks for aim though, good aim, just slow to dry. My wife likes the heated seat function, though I could do without it. We both like the night light feature. I don't even have to turn the bathroom light on in the middle of the night anymore. I can see everything I need to see. If I was to suggest anything to Alpha, like if they asked me, I'd maybe recommend a model with a throttle on the side, like driving a boat, something you could pull back on to crank up the water pressure. Highly recommended. If you guys have any more questions on it, just leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.